grass seed and straw is down, and now we are just watering, and we are going to try to stay on top of watering over the next month or however long it takes to grow grass. Honestly, you should not really take yard work advice from us. We don't really know what we're doing. So hopefully this works and the grass grows. I originally wanted to do some sod just around here, but it is really hard to find sod this time of year. So if the grass does not grow, we're gonna get some sod, because I am so sick of tracking all this mud into our house every night when we use a sauna. And then I just got these solar powered outdoor lights. So they just stick into the ground, and then obviously they're solar powered. So they're just going to turn on at night themselves, which I love. We actually have these lanterns right here that are solar powered as well. So when we walk out to the sauna at night, those are just automatically on, and I love it. We just want a little bit more lighting. So I'm going to put these around the base of the patio, and it actually comes with 12, and we don't really need 12. So I'm going to also replace these ones. We put these in last year, and those are also solar powered. I like them, but the only issue is you have to go and push the button on the top for them to turn on, and I don't really want to have to do that. I'd rather just have something that automatically turns on every night. So I'm going to swap those out for these. Honestly, these were a really good price too. I'll link them, and I will show you tomorrow probably what they look like at night.